everyone, my name is Chi and I'm studying at Uni Adelaide, and this is a series of sharing our experience as an international student living in Adelaide. And in today's episode, I will introduce you more information about public transport, which I think this information will be so helpful for your student life as we commute every day from home to work to uni on a daily basis. So I think transportation is one of those areas that should be taken notice of, so please follow me.
In Adelaide, people can choose from a wide range. There are private cars, taxi, Uber, bicycle, bus, train or tram to travel. However, bus, tram and train seem to be more popular in this city. This is because private parking in the city may cost a lot of money and much time. Therefore, they tend to use public transport traveling to school or workplace.
I'm currently standing on King William Street, which is one of the main streets in city centre, and it gathers most of the tram routes and bus stops.
To use public transportation in Adelaide, you need to buy a passenger ticket. This is compulsory in this city. There are three main ways to purchase a ticket. You can buy a ticket on buses through the driver. In this case, you need to prepare cash with a small amount of coins because card payments is not available. And you can use this metro single ticket to transfer to other buses in 2 hours. If you are on tram, you can buy a ticket by machine located in every tram, and all kinds of payment are also acceptable. And after buying a ticket, you need to validate it in the yellow machine located near the front door of buses or any door of trains and trams. You can buy a ticket in Metro Info Center located at 2/10 Curry Street through the machine system or counters, and all kinds of payment are acceptable. It is more convenient and cheaper to earn a Metro card, and you can buy and recharge this card in Metro Info Center, convenience stores, and recharged by a yellow machines. This card will be divided into regular, concession, student, and senior category.
It is highly recommended that you register your Metro card online, or the staff in Adelaide Metro Centre will help you out with that. It doesn't take much time, but it does save you money when you use your card. And if you are a student or an employee who travel regularly, I would recommend buying a Metro 28 pass or 14 pass. It will help you to reduce your transportation cost each month.